Good morning, everyone. Billy's excited to be outside. Just had to show you the flag. Ah, it's beautiful when it just flies like that. Yeah. Thanks to our good friends Rod and Wanda Swiler. Awesome flag, you guys. So, a little breeze in the air this morning. Not too warm out. Probably 40-ish. Just heading up to the barn. Gonna dink around, I think. So you seen in the last video. Actually, today's March 21st. So the video finally went through today, I guess. So kind of random how it all works, but anyway, you seen in the end of the last video we lost the matriarch, our beloved Dakota Joe. Been with us for 16 years, and you know, our goal through this whole thing, one of them, was to get her to the farm before she passed, and that was 3 years ago. So I mean, that's pretty good. So she had a, well, I think she had a good life. I'm sure she would say the same. Good having her around. Raised a bunch of kids and raised a bunch of puppies, unfortunately for her, but anyway, yeah, kind of a bummer day yesterday. Didn't really do much of anything, but you know what, we remember the good things and we don't dwell on the bad, and that was definitely one of the bad things. The good thing is she's in puppy heaven, chasing cats and chickens around. She loved chickens. Well, she loved eating them anyway. Anyway, so up here, might do a little more welding, get practiced up, because God knows I need it. And then Mark actually gave us a plasma cutter too, so I've never used one of them, so I think I might break that out and try it too. I mean, what could go wrong, honestly? I mean, it's not like I can blow stuff up, right? Or maybe I could. So anyway, anything exciting happens, we'll film it, but kind of just a kickback day. Enjoy the sunshine, get out of the wind, see what's happening. All right, so it's the same day. I have the puppies with me. I'm trying not to chew the gum that's in my mouth because, well, it looks horrible when I do it. So the plasma cutter takes a 240 plug, which when we had the guy wire the barn, I told him that eventually we're gonna have a welder in there, so make sure it's wired for that. And he put a 20 amp plug in for the camper, which I appreciate. Man, maybe that's 240, I don't know. I don't know anything about electric. I know, you know, you plug stuff in and then you hit this little switch up and down and it goes on. That's about my knowledge of electricity. So Brother Mark is a lot like Brother James, where he says, "Oh, just call me and I'll walk you through it." But I've been electrocuted so many times. Let's just say I have the yips for it now. So I'm not sure that that's something I want to tackle. We'll see. I don't know. It could be simple. I don't know. But anyway, I'm going down to the store to get some diesel for the tractor, because the winter storm that was coming apparently isn't coming. So yeah, it's time to harrow the field, get the poop all mixed up, and hopefully someday soon it'll rain and kind of wash all that stuff into the field, so it'll start growing as grass, and so the dogs don't continue to eat it and stink the house up. So anyway, that's the agenda. I don't know if I'll get back on the tractor today or not. It's 3 o'clock. Teresa works until 9. I suppose I could. We'll see. We'll see how I'm feeling. Kind of fighting a little bit of a cold, so might just go in and read and take a nap. Maybe try to get ahead of this thing. So anyway, that's what's up. We'll talk to you guys soon. Everyone, it's Wednesday, the 22nd. She still has lots of energy. So Teresa just left for work. That means I go to work, but I don't leave. I mean, I'm here working. Gonna harrow the field again today. It's man, it was cold. Are you coming, dog? No? Yes? No? Yes? No? Jeez. It's only like 34 degrees out. It's chilly. And I'm still slipping and sliding around the ground, so I brought my earphones today, because being on the tractor for hours gets a little annoying. But did a lot of it yesterday. Well, geez, not even half of it yesterday. So from the loafing shed here and then up to this side of the driveway I did yesterday. I don't know how much I'll get done today. I got to run to Missoula and pick up our neighbor. Has to have his truck worked on or something. I can't remember. Anyway, so I have a couple hours to get as much as I can done before I have to leave. So anyway, me and Teresa went for a walk down lower side of Willie Way, looking at that other piece of property down there. It is not for sale, but it could be just a pipe dream. Be kind of nice to have. That way we could double or triple the cow herd. But I don't know why we'd want to do that either. But it'd sure be nice to have, regardless. But anyway, I'm gonna get on the tractor. This will probably be it for today that I'll film. So hope you all have a good day. We'll talk to you soon. Good morning from the farm. Listening to little Waylon Jennings, and it's Teresa's day off, and to celebrate that, we are picking up dog shit. Hey, there she is. Anyway, today is March 23rd, Big Brother's birthday. Everybody wish Patrick a happy birthday and all of his wishes. So he's going to Felisto, Analisto, or some whatever. I don't know how you say it. Gonna go get his Mexican burrito. So anyway, not a whole lot planned today other than picking up poop. Exciting stuff here on the farm. Probably get back on the tractor in a little bit and do some more harrowing. I want to try to get this done before it gets too nice out, or actually before it starts raining, so it can just wash right into the ground. So anyway, talk to you soon. All right, well, she wants to play. I think we pretty much got all the poop. For those of you wondering that live in a city or town, fenced in yard, thinking, man, if we only had acreage, the dogs would go out on that acreage and poop. We would never have to pick dog poop up. Well, that's not the case. I think we got a full bag of poo. Teresa's not being very acceptive of all my jokes. I told her there's a shit ton in that bag. She didn't even laugh. So anyway, dog poop duty is completed, I think. So on to the next one. Yeah. That's our Christmas tree from Christmas. Duh. I don't know why you would think it would be from somewhere else, but pardon me, I'm a little frazzled. My buddy David just sent my wife a TikTok thing. And he's making fun of my videos, so. What is it?
I don't do TikTok.
What is it? Oh, Snap. Whatever. It's all the same.
No.
But he's making fun of me, so I think it might be the first person I'm gonna have to ban from my channel. Congratulations, David. I'm just kidding. I welcome it. Anyway, I got done doing the field with, well, majority of the field with the tractor. Still need to do that bottom section. The cows are playing in the mud, coming up to see what we're doing, eating little green shoots. So we decided to build a fire. That's it. It is March 24th. It is Suzanne's birthday, Teresa's sister. So everyone wish Suzanne a very happy birthday. I almost said Merry Christmas, but yeah, going out to feed the chickens. Yeah, so that happened. Wearing shorts yesterday was beautiful. Today, not so much. We'll have to get some warmer clothes. All right, well, today was very uneventful. Teresa got her nails done though. Look at these beauties. Dang. Yeah. Oh, hawk. There's a hawk. I won't even show you.
Red-tailed hawk.
I stayed home and made 2 loaves of white bread with Parmesan and dill in it for flavoring. So, taking one to Josh and Cameron, right?
Yep.
Right now we are going down to our church family center thing for a fish fry.
Fish Friday.
Fish Friday. And it's usually pretty good.
Oh, look, it's snowing.
Oh, yeah. We've already talked about the snowing thing, haven't we? So, yeah, after that, we're going to go to Josh and Cameron's and maybe get a couple pictures of Riker. Who knows?
Is it going?
Yeah, it's going.
I don't see a picture.
Well, you won't see a picture because it goes dead.
Oh, it does?
Yeah.
How do you know what you're filming?
Well, we're filming right now. You see that red dot?
Well, I know, but you can't see what you're filming because there's no video.
Well, you point the camera to it.
Well,
anyway, we'll continue this conversation when we're not filming. And all the storms up and down the Bitterroot Valley. Looking at the 10-day forecast, we are in the same weather pattern for the next 10 days. So like 1 day, 2 days it gets to 51 and that's it. So anyway, I'm gonna turn this off. Teresa's hitting all the bumps and making my sides hurt. So we'll talk to you soon. Good morning, everyone. I think it's still morning. Just got done with training. It is Saturday 25th. Me and Teresa are just out here. She's somewhere in there. She's putting back in the heat lamp for the chickens because it's still cold and they're not laying very well. So maybe 1 egg a day. So we're redoing that. Is that where you want it?
well, I guess.
We'll go a little bit higher.
Stupid starlings get in there and poo on everything. So gross. Get over
there.
That's better.
Yeah.
Gotta start laying some eggs now. Let's see what we got.
You ready? 1.
Yep.
1 egg. I don't know if you can see it, but there goes all the starlings. A couple hundred of them. Rad bastards. They seem to be staying out of the pen. But, yeah. We'll see. Teresa gave the chickens. We're worms, it looks like. So anyway, I'm fighting off this cold thing still, and Teresa works a couple hours, just a small shift today, so just gonna be a chill day today, and then I have more training tomorrow, and that's it. Weekend's over, and then Teresa's off Monday, Tuesday, so yeah, got that to look forward to. Maybe it'll be warm. Not counting on it. So anyway, that's it from the farm today. Ducks wanted to say good morning. There's some over here, quackers. Over here. They're just strange. Strange little animals. Speaking of strange animals. What'd you find? What is it? What is that? Huh? Yeah, strange. Anyway, hope everyone has a great Saturday. Stay warm out there. Hey everyone, it's Sunday the 26th of March. I'm in my truck getting ready to go to training. And I don't know if you can see me, but it's still snowing and cold outside. Teresa was texting Wanda back and forth yesterday. They live over in Bozeman. They had 11 inches in their lawn and was expecting 16 to 24 more inches today or last night. So yeah, winter has reared its ugly head again. So well, good morning again. So just got home from training. Obviously still the 26th today. It's almost noon, and I gotta go feed. Hold on, my watch found this. Anytime you bend or move it, it wakes up. So yeah, you guys seen this morning it snowed. Hi Billy. You probably have not much, a couple inches out there. Thank goodness, that's all. But it's turned now from straight snow to it's kind of misting a little bit, but it should be done. I think the temperature tomorrow should climb up into the 50s. Sorry, trying to get everything ready. Should climb into the 50s, so all this stuff will be gone again. So get everything on so I don't get blinded on the way out. Yeah, there it is. Welcome back to winter. So I see one cow down there waiting. No idea where all the others are, but we will get this done. Huh? We gonna feed cows? Huh, Billy? She wants to do something, that's for sure. Windy, obviously. Looks to be about 15-ish miles an hour, so get this done real quick and make it as painless as possible. So, wish me luck. Ooh, holy smokes, that's cold. So yeah, that's it for today. It is way too cold out here. I'm not even gonna ducks. I know. I don't like the snow either. Anyway, I think that's probably it for today. Time to take a nice hot shower and dang, maybe even make another pot of coffee because it just feels like that kind of day. Anyway, hope you guys' week is good. Pretty uneventful this week, other than more snow, more winter. Has its hands still on us. So anyway, been a good week for the most part. Hope your guys' week is good too. We'll talk to you guys soon.